A 1.4% gain is projected for Dogecoin tomorrow, according to coin price forecast. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. At this time, Dogecoin has fallen 2% and is positioned around $0.10848. Let's jump into what analysts project. The forecast from 30 rates points to a decline to $0.1079 by May 11th, around 0.5% below today's level. Dogecoin is projected to move up toward $0.10859 per crypto predictions, an expected increase of 0.1%. Coin data flow highlights it potentially climbing to $0.10905, a rise of approximately 0.5%. Another forecast from Coin Price Forecast suggests Dogecoin could reach an 11 cents. That's an estimated gain of about 1.4%. And lastly, Gov Capital Collector targets $0.11035 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 1.7%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a decrease of 0.5% to a gain of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. Our review shows Gov Capital Collector giving the most optimistic forecast with 1.7% gain in value by tomorrow. From all predictions, you could gain between $1 and $17 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, Crypto Predictions ranks highest with a 86.9% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Consensus modeling places Dogecoin at approximately $0.10918. Let's break it down. Consensus calculations suggest a 0.7% price increase by tomorrow. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 0.7%. On 1,000, that outcome could suggest roughly $7 more. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 83.1%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. 30 rates expects Dogecoin to head lower. An upward drive is anticipated by Crypto Predictions. The short-term stance from Coin Data Flow is also optimistic. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast highlights that Dogecoin is on an upward path. The scenario from Gov Capital Collector also shows the price climbing. The consensus result shows Dogecoin positioned on an upward course throughout this short-term horizon. The combined analysis shows 80% of forecasts leaning bullish, indicating Dogecoin could trend upward. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $0.10877. 4 out of 5 analysts matched the actual market direction. Closest forecast to the actual move came from CoinCodex. Let's see piece by piece. Every prediction aligned with yesterday's daily range. As for ROI, all analysts delivered profitable results. Up next is the recap table, a quick look at how all forecasts performed. In today's review, Coin Data Flow presented 81% forecast probability accuracy and a return of 1.2%. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. This time Dogecoin isn't first as AVE posts 1.2% potential gain. In this section, Dogecoin is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. And if you enjoy seeing how analyst predictions compare, give it a like and make sure you're subscribed. Catch you in the next analysis.